We are standing at a pretty incredible turning point. Well, forever, the creation of language was limited by human speed, but that's all changing. The first big rule of this new era is this: AI is going to fundamentally change the sheer volume of language we all encounter every single day.
But here's the thing. In a world that's just flooded with AI-generated text, volume stops being the thing that matters. It just becomes noise. And that brings us to the second, and honestly, the more important rule: a new kind of rhetoric. That's what's going to decide the ultimate value of language. So how do we actually build that value? That's exactly what we explore here at the Rhetorical Forge. So welcome. This is where we re-examine the art of persuasion for a brand new age, crafting the tools that you're going to need to thrive.
You see, we believe that language isn't some ancient relic to be dusted off and admired at a museum. No way. It's a living, breathing tool. And right now, in the age of AI, that tool needs to be sharper than it has ever been. So let's talk about that. Forging real value from this incredible new volume of content. Because understanding why this matters so much right now, that's the first step. We are in the middle of a massive, seismic shift in communication.
Think about it like this. As AI makes writing faster and more abundant than ever, the real advantage, it shifts away from just producing words. The game moves toward these distinctly human skills, things like precision, true originality, having a unique voice, and the ability to influence people ethically. And this right here, this is both the challenge and the massive opportunity of our time. I mean, when everyone has access to infinite content, how do you make your voice heard? You need a different kind of tool. And that's where new rhetoric enters the story.
So what are you actually going to get here? This isn't just about theory. It's about building a practical, modern toolkit for persuasion that you can actually use. We're going beyond the classical stuff to explore, define, and apply the next generation of persuasive techniques. These are tools designed for today's writers, speakers, marketers, students, really for anyone who wants their words to have an impact in a world that is just overflowing with content. And we've designed a really clear path to help you build these skills. It's all structured around 3 core pillars that are going to take you from foundation all the way to mastery. Let's walk through. Okay, it all starts with the Forge fundamentals. This is where we define and demonstrate each new rhetorical device. It's all about building a solid foundation, a shared vocabulary, so you know exactly what tools you have at your disposal.
From there, we move right into the AI application lab. This is where theory becomes practice. We'll show you exactly how to translate these concepts into powerful, precise prompt patterns, so you can command generative AI like a true creative partner. And finally, we get to human voice mastery. This is the ultimate goal, right? Taking that raw AI-assisted output and refining it, shaping it into language that is intentional, authentic, and just unmistakably human. This is where you learn how to make the tool an extension of your own unique voice.
So what does this all add up to? Well, it's pretty simple. It's an invitation to become a sharper, more effective communicator in the AI age. So the question for you is a simple one. Do you want to forge words that can truly cut through all that noise?
If the answer is yes, then you are absolutely in the right place.
If you're ready, subscribe now to join us. Your journey begins with the very next explainer in this playlist. Let's start forging.